Stuck with the lz32 Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before starting the detailed lz32 library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the lz32 library, the LZ Compression Library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for expanding localized files compressed with the localized LZ algorithm, mandatory for localized legacy software installers to resolve localized data manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as lz32 Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the lz32 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like lz32 Library DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing lz32 library and system configuration. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved lz32 library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.